Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So today, dahil uso ngayon ng mga halaman, I will be naming our plants in our house. These are cabbage croton. These are some forever rich plant. This some peace lily. This is the babe of love plant. This is the dragon's tail. Some caladiums. Aglonema. Some bottom tree. A prayer plant. A ferns. We also have air plant. Some photos. A cobra plant. Some Buena Vista plant. A bridal bouquet plant. A oliva plant. Another rainforest. Some cactus and succulent plants. That's it guys, that's all I know. I'll be studying more soon. See you on the next video.